great devotees here is called Puja Shripad Kripa Sindhu Das. I think he's a dear guru of Srila Anantadas Panditji. A great devotee, great rasik, great pure devotee. Kripa Sindhu. So this idea of Kripa Sindhu, ocean of mercy, means what's an ocean? The characteristic of an ocean is full of waves. Endless waves. Ananta, Taranga. So mercy is compared to an ocean because it comes in waves. We say Kripa Sindhu, the waves of mercy. One wave of mercy washed over me, and I stopped acting like an animal. Another wave of mercy washed over me, and I met a devotee. Another wave of mercy washed over me, and I heard kirtan. Another wave of mercy washed over me, and I got a spiritual book. Another wave of mercy washed over me, and I got a spiritual desire to turn to God. It's just, I feel that the entire life of a devotee is just, we're floating on an ocean of mercy. And we're just being, one wave pushes us forward to Krishna, maybe two waves push us back the other direction. If you go to some beaches, and the beach is on a slope, the waves come this way, and then they go up the slope, and then they go back again the other way. And sometimes the waves going back hit the waves coming up, and they go boom, make a third wave. I've seen sometimes in Puri, in different beaches, the surface where the water of the ocean is very flat, and then the land just kind of goes up like this, a little incline, some incline. So if it's a big waves, and when it's big, when there's normal days, just going in a certain area. But when there's a hurricane or typhoon, when the ocean's really agitated, then the waves are rushing up the shore and going far up, and then they're going up that incline, so they're getting gravity. Then by the gravity, they start to go slowly back the other way. Then they go and meet the incoming wave, meets the outcoming wave, and makes boom, a third wave goes up in the air. So that's what happens. The devotee is riding one wave of mercy going to Krishna, and then his prarabdha karma comes in the other direction as the opposite wave, and then the ingoing wave hits the outgoing wave, and boom, it goes up in the middle, and your prarabdha karma collides with the mercy wave of Krishna, and you go flying, tumbling into space. And you go, oh, where's he going to land? Is he going to land in a mercy wave or in a Maya wave?